Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Messenger chat history pin on both mobile and desktop, and then I'll also show you how to turn it back on if you ever need it again. Let's get straight into it. If you're on mobile, open Messenger and tap the three lines in the top left corner. Then hit the little gear icon in the top right to open the settings. Once you're in there, scroll down until you see Privacy and Safety. Tap that, then go into end-to-end encrypted chats, and then open Secure Storage. Inside Secure Storage, you'll see the options to turn it off. You can either choose Turn Off Secure Storage or Delete and Turn Off Secure Storage. If all you want is to stop Messenger from asking for a PIN, just tap Turn Off Secure Storage, hit Continue, and that's it. The next time you open Messenger on any device, it won't ask you for a PIN to load your chat history. Now, if you ever want to enable the PIN again on mobile, you do the same path. The three lines, the gear, privacy and safety, end-to-end encrypted chats, secure storage, and this time you tap Turn on Secure Storage, set your PIN, and you're good to go. If you're using Messenger on the computer, the process is slightly different. Make sure you go directly to messenger.com, not through Facebook, because the option won't show there. After you sign in, click your profile icon, then go to Privacy and Safety. You'll see the section for end-to-end encrypted chats, then Secure Storage. From there, you can disable the PIN just like on mobile, and if you ever want to turn it back on, just return to the same menu and toggle it on again with a new PIN. And that's all you need to do. Alright, that's the walkthrough. If this helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a guide on any other Messenger or Facebook feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.